How to delete a channel on Discord. Need to clean up your server or remove an old channel? Deleting a channel is quick and easy. Just follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First things first, open the Discord app or go to discord.com in your browser. Now open your Discord server. Go to the server where the channel you want to delete is located. In the left sidebar, look at the text or voice channel you want to delete. On desktop, right-click the channel name. On mobile, tap and hold the channel name. From the menu that appears, click or tap Delete Channel. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Delete Channel again to confirm. Warning: this action is permanent and cannot be undone. And that's how you delete a channel on Discord. Quick, simple and clean. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Comment below on what tutorial you need next. See you in the next one.